What's good, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going to my cabin and we're going to be doing a squirrel hunting catch and cook. I think they're going to be good, and I honestly think we're going to kill at least 8 or 10. So let's just get to hunting. Alright, guys, so this is why after me being at the cabin, but when I tried to get my squirrel hunting videos onto the phone from the SD card, the videos got deleted. So I'll just tell you what we got. I think we got 4 or 5. I can't remember. We got 4 or 5 squirrels, and I'll show you all skinning them now. So let's just get to that. And I'm very sorry that the videos I can't show you. So it's probably not a good video, but I'm really sorry. Alright, we've got the squirrels and we're about to be skinning them. He's going to skin them because he skins them faster than me. So let me start videoing that. I'm only going to show us skinning one, and then I'll put you on time lapse of the rest.
Okay. You need to get in one though.
I'm the one talking.
Oh, okay.
Liver.
Yep. Kidney for fish bait.
He put the liver in there for fish bait.
Send the tail off.
Put the tail off.
Tell them we send that. There goes the Mips Fishing Company, and we get the lures for it.
You can get these you can send the tails to Mips Fishing Company. You can get lures for it.
Okay.
Or cash.
And since we're in Oklahoma, we're allowed to sell them.
Since we're in Oklahoma, we're allowed to sell them.
Some states ain't, they don't allow it.
Some states, they're not allowed to sell their fur tail.
Squirrel bag. Man got a good squirrel bag.
Here's a squirrel. This is the first time I'm tasting it.
And I killed it.
I killed it. Man. Real good. Good. It's probably a 9 out of 10. So we'll put it in time lapse of the rest. Guys, overall, good day. Killed 4 squirrels. They were honestly very good. I didn't think they were going to be that good. So, good weekend. I mean, caught some bass. I mean, 1 bass. 4 squirrels. So, see you next video, I guess.